Good morning here. I'm with Matt Thompson from StoneDeks System here, and we're installing this StoneDeks System, and I'm so excited about it. Tell me a little bit about StoneDeks Systems, their purpose, and yeah.
So essentially, the StoneDeks System is giving you a different option for your deck structure. So as opposed to a traditional wood or composite deck, the StoneDeks System goes down directly on 16-inch on-center standard framing, and it basically acts as a subfloor for you to be able to put any type of stone, paver, or tile as your finished deck floor surface. So for this project here, we have beautiful Marmero stone. Our product goes down very easy with 4 number 9 deck screws directly on top of the framing. It gives you many advantages and benefits. One of those being traditional construction for a project like this would be big retaining walls, a lot of backfill, whereas this project and our product, it allows you to essentially eliminate the need for any backfill while giving you a safe, flat subflooring surface to build upon with whatever stone, paver, or tile that you would like. So this product is essentially giving you more design options. So for example, if you want to use composites with the stone or paver or tile that you choose, you can do so. If you want to put artificial turf, blend that with the stone, paver, tile, you can do so. So there are a lot of different trends that are happening in the industry using our product.
So Matt, we got the SilcaGrate here. Wow, it feels so light. Tell me what it's made of, and how much weight can something like this actually support?
Sure. Yeah, so the SilcaGrate, it weighs 4 pounds, so it's very easy to move around during installation. But this is ICC certified to hold more than enough of the weight of a standard paver, stone, or tile. The issue comes in where you're not building your substructure to be able to withhold all of that weight. If you follow local code, and we have recommended deck framing design tables available, this will hold the weight of any stone, paver, tile that you would like.
What's it made of?
So the SilcaGrate is made of PCABS. So,
okay, what's that?
It's a recycled plastic, so it is considered a green product.
Okay.
It is made of recycled car dashboards, car parts, side panels, things of that nature. So
it's cool.
Yeah. So for your new construction, about 90% of your projects, this is going to be installed directly on top of your framing, with 4 number 9 deck screws, 3 inches long, one in each corner.
4 screws, that's it?
4 screws.
Wow. And it can support that kind of weight.
Absolutely.
Wow, I'm excited. Let's go see how it's installed. So now we're up here on the StoneDeks System. I'm here with James, and we're getting ready to actually go through the install about it. James, tell me a little bit about the components and this kind of the steps that we're about to take here as we prepare for this.
Yeah, okay, so this is a fairly traditional wood deck framing.
Yep.
It's a little bit heavier because of the weight that we're putting on, but not a lot more than they typically would do.
Okay.
And so now we're going to install this grate system. So you see we have a lot of it down here already. You just stick it in and put a screw in each corner.
Okay.
One other thing we did here is we taped off the joists to keep moisture from penetrating into those joists.
I see that.
Down the road.
I do see that, yeah.
So yeah, go ahead and put the screws in there. These things cut real easily. We had to cut a few here for length. Just cut them with a skill saw and put them right in place.
So we've just finished the install of the SilcaGrate, and now James has got what we call Geo-Textile fabric. James, tell us a little bit about the purpose of this fabric and how this whole next component of the install works in the stone deck installation process.
Right, so there's several different ways that you could do stone on top of here.
Okay.
You could go directly on top of here with with brick. Although if you're gonna hold any of the joint material, anything like that, you need a medium in between to block it off. So this is just a regular Geo-Textile fabric, and all we're doing is laying this down as a medium to keep anything from falling on down.
I do. I see you've got some actually right here, and it's just like a blanket that lays over the decking system to support that. So yeah, that
that's
looks good.